Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel, A-NATH-ing Under the Sun. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a trailer on YouTube Premiere. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video. How to add a trailer on YouTube Premiere. What is a trailer on YouTube Premiere? A trailer is another new feature on YouTube which will allow creators to upload a pre-recorded video that will be featured on the Premiere landing page before the premiere starts. To be eligible to add a trailer, the creator must have more than 1,000 subscribers and no community guideline strikes. From YouTube Help Center, here are the requirements to add a trailer on YouTube Premiere. Use any YouTube-supported video type. The video length can be 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. It is recommended that the aspect ratio and resolution are the same as the premiering video. Make sure that the trailer does not have an audio and video rights. The last but not the least, make sure there's no content that will violate YouTube community guidelines. Tips to remember before adding a trailer. First, upload your trailer to your YouTube channel like you would with a regular upload, or you can choose from your short video uploaded. Second, you have to upload the video you want to premiere. Let's start. To add a trailer on YouTube Premiere, let's go first to Google Chrome. Then go to YouTube website or type am.youtube.com. Sign in to YouTube account and request the stop site if using mobile phone. Let us use landscape. Now, let us tap the YouTube profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Tap the video icon. If the video is not scheduled as premiere yet, you can both set the premiere and the trailer. From the Visibilities tab, schedule the uploaded video as a premiere. Just tap Unlisted. Tap Schedule. Set the date, time, and check the box Set as Premiere. To add the trailer, tap the plus Setup Premiere. Then tap Select and choose a specific video for the trailer. After that, tap Save and you're all set. However, if the video is already set as premiere, here's what to do. This video is already set as premiere and no trailer yet. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Go to Videos. From the Visibilities tab, tap Premiere and tap plus Setup Premiere to add the trailer. Tap Select Choose video as a trailer. And click Save. That's it. We're done. Let's go to YouTube app and check it out. Video Premiere has a trailer now. Thank you for watching and God bless.